Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you exactly how to reduce the brightness of your light bulb using this dimmer switch. So let's assume the bulb in your home, the bulb in your bedroom is too high, the brightness is too high and it affects the way you sleep. Then in today's video I'm going to teach you exactly how to reduce the brightness. So let's begin. So when you look here, you can see that here is a diagram of a dimmer switch. When you look here, you can see that here is the input terminal and here is the output terminal. As you can see that here is my light and here is my neutral. So I connect wire from my light wire to input terminal of my dimmer switch. So you can see here is the input and here is the output. So I connect my light wire to input terminal here, and from the output I connect my light bulb. Then here is the neutral terminal. I connect neutral from here to my bulb. So let's begin the connection. So I'm going to connect wire from my breaker here to input terminal of this dimmer switch. So from my breaker to this input terminal. So let's go ahead and connect it. So connect from our breaker here. So from our breaker here to input terminal of the dimmer switch. So here is the input. So do it this way and tight it. So now we are going to connect here from our output to our bulb. So we're going to connect from our output here to our bulb. You can see it here. So I'm using this wire for the output. So I'll use it now and connect with this way. So you can see here from our output to our bulb. So let me connect it here. So let's connect it. So now it remains our neutral. So if you look here, you can see that from neutral terminal, I connect from neutral to our bulb. So here is my neutral link here. So I'm going to connect from this neutral to our bulb. So I'm using this black wire for neutral connection. Please guys, if you watch this video to this point, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me for more videos. So let's continue. So from our neutral link here to our bulb. So from our neutral here to our bulb. So you can see the tight it. And now we're done with the connection. So this is how to connect a dimmer switch. As you can see here, from our bulb, from our breaker here to input terminal of our dimmer switch. Then from this terminal, this is the output. From this output to our bulb. Then our neutral will connect from our neutral link here to our bulb. So let's go ahead and test. So I'll go ahead and turn on my breaker. So as you can see. So you can see. So this is the full brightness of our bulb. So let's go ahead now and dim the brightness. You can see that the brightness has reduced. You can see. So now this is how to reduce the brightness of your light bulb in your home. You can see, you can decide to hide the brightness, you can decide to lower the brightness. You can see.